Israel postponed Iran's revenge meeting. US and France take this step. Israel doesn't appear to have decided to respond to Iran's attack. This can be seen from the third meeting of Israeli War Cabinet, which was scheduled to be held on Tuesday, April 16, 2024, but was postponed until Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Reported by Reuters, Military Chief of Staff Herzi Halevi has promised that the launch of more than 300 missiles, cruise missiles, and drones from Iran into Israeli territory on Saturday night will be responded to favorably, but didn't provide further details. Although the attack caused no casualties and minimal damage, it raised concerns that the conflict is widening, with the risk of open war between longtime enemies, Iran and Israel and its allies. United States President Joe Biden told Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at the weekend that his country, Israel's main protector, wouldn't participate in Israel's retaliatory strike against Iran. Along with its European allies, Washington on Tuesday instead sought to tighten economic and political sanctions against Iran in a bid to distance Israel from major retaliation. Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz said he was leading to diplomatic offensive, writing to 32 countries to ask them to impose sanctions on Iran's missile program and following Washington in banning its dominant military force, the Revolutionary Guard Corps, as a terrorist group. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said the U.S. would use sanctions and work with its allies to continue disrupting Iran's malign and destabilizing activities. He said at a news conference in Washington that all options to disrupt Iran's terrorist financing have been discussed, and he expected further sanctions against Iran to be announced in the coming days. Meanwhile, European Union Foreign Policy Chief Josep Borrell, speaking in Brussels after an emergency video conference of EU foreign ministers, said several member states had asked for sanctions on Iran to be expanded and that the bloc's diplomatic service would start working on proposals. Borrell said the proposal would expand sanctions seeking to limit Iran's supply of drones to Russia to include the supply of missiles and could also include deliveries to Iran's proxies in the Middle East. German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock also said early on Tuesday that some EU members had pledged to reconsider extending sanctions. He added that he would leave for Israel in a few hours to discuss how to prevent escalation. Since the war in Gaza began in October 2023, clashes have erupted between Israel and Iran-backed groups based in Lebanon, Syria, Yemen, and Iraq.